Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday. It is currently 8:30 a.m. I just woke up. I am going to be doing a very well requested video today. The past year I lost a lot of weight and I changed my diet up. I started working out. I filmed a workout video in August. I lost my 40 pounds, my workout, and so everyone was asking what I ate to lose weight. So today I'm just gonna take you guys around with me all day and show you guys exactly what I eat. I don't really have a specific diet, but there is certain things that I like to eat throughout the day that I do literally every single day. Okay, so if you guys watch my videos a lot, you will notice that I always have this cup in my room and I'm always drinking it literally every single day. So literally as soon as I wake up, I always have it right there by my bed, and it's usually filled up to the top with water, and I drink it before I go to sleep or as soon as I wake up. So first thing I do in the morning as soon as I wake up is I fill this up and I literally chuck the whole thing because I get really thirsty whenever I wake up, and I feel like it's really helped me because I used to eat a huge breakfast as soon as I woke up every single day, and then I realized that it was just my body wanting water, not a full meal whenever I woke up. So that's kind of what I changed mostly. Usually I just chug a whole thing of water and then I'll have a coffee whenever I'm going to school. But today, since it's a weekend, whenever I have time, I like to hit the gym. I don't eat before I go to the gym, nor do I have coffee before I go to the gym. I like to work out, burn the calories that I ate the day before. I don't really have breakfast, and it's not that I deprive myself from the meal, but I notice that my body just doesn't need it. I know a lot of people just don't crave food early in the morning, and that's how I've come to. I usually just crave coffee and a lot of water in the morning. And now that I finished my water, I just got a little workout fit on for you guys. Okay, we are in the car now. We're gonna go get that grind on. I might put some clips in of me working out, but I'm gonna put a link in the description to my workout video so that if you guys are new to my channel and are just not watching this video, you can go watch my workout video that has my whole workout routine as well. Leaving the gym now. I actually feel really good right now. That was a super good workout. Oh my god, I've been craving one. I feel so good right now. I need to go get gas for my car, and then we're gonna go get coffee at Dancing Goats and then go home, see where the day takes us. I've been listening to this 2000 playlist on Spotify because the early 2000s pop, man, that was the best music, not gonna lie. So let's dance.
Really drives me crazy. You don't have a player on the joke. I was at a loss for words first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl.
This girl, wherever you are.
Let's see what's fun.
Just from my
It's getting pretty cold outside. I'm a little bit chilly right now. I thought it was gonna be a nice warm sunny day because this morning the birds were chirping and the sun looked like it was trying to come out, but I guess my prediction of the weather was incorrect. It's chilly and it's foggy gray outside, so it probably is gonna end up raining. Well, I forgot to tell you guys that I'm on winter break right now, which means I have a week off. I'm so happy about it. That's why I'm happy right now. Yeah. Well, my gas is done. I'll be right back. Yay! Car, it has been filled up. Now it's coffee time, people. Yeah. So I bet you guys already guessed where we're going. I go to the same place every single freaking day of my life. It's my favorite coffee place in the whole world. Dancing Goats, that is right, everyone. I go there in every single video. You guys are probably getting tired of it. I go to the same place every single video for a very simple reason. It is simply just the best. It's the best coffee in Atlanta, in my opinion. I've been to mostly all of the very popular coffee shops in Atlanta. Tried them all out. I'm always in the city, so I'm always, I discovered Dancing Goats a few months back. So I was like, oh, this place is cute. They have a cute name. Oh, I like the colors. This is a nice aesthetic. I was like, Yasmin, let's stop here really quickly. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try this place out, Just me doing my normal Atlanta thing. Whenever I see a cute coffee shop, I'm just like, okay, gotta go, I usually always get an iced vanilla almond milk latte or an iced oat milk latte. I walk in here and I'm just like,
Iced oat milk latte.
and they're like,
we don't have oat milk.
I'm already thinking in my head, okay, well, this place probably sucks since they don't have oat milk. What kind of shop in Atlanta are you? I'm just like, okay, whatever. I guess I'll get almond milk. Call my name, I grab the coffee, and I take a sip of it. And my whole face, let me tell you, lights up. I'm so confused right now because I'm like, this milk isn't real. It's too good to be true. I go to them and I'm like, this is almond milk, right? And they're like, yeah, that's our almond milk. I was like, I can't even explain to you how good it was. I was just sitting there looking around this place, asking myself if I was in heaven or not. Ever since that day, I have never gone to any other coffee shop ever again. I'm really starting to get a little bit hungry now, so I might get something to eat while I'm at Dancing Goats. By something, I mean a bagel. It's what I get every single time there. I'm really excited for this coffee right now. I'm craving it like crap. I'm so hungry too. I'm starting to get so hungry that I feel my insides like failing. That's really dramatic. It's like 10:36 right now, so I mean, it's not really breakfast at this point. By the time I get there, it's gonna be like 11 or so. It's gonna be like brunch, so that's what I usually like to do on the weekends and stuff like this whenever I have time. Oh my god, I totally forgot to tell you guys. So I was doing a little bit of Pilates. While I was doing it, fans approached me. Isn't that crazy? At my own gym. They told me they watched my videos and they recognized me from YouTube, and I was like, whoa, dude, that's crazy. Yeah, I forgot to talk about that. That kind of made me feel really weird. I didn't know how to like react to it. I was just like, oh my god, hi. Just got my coffee and bagel. Okay, guys, I have a little story to tell you. What's happening? All right, so I just left. The whole parking lot in front of Dancing Goats was like really full. It's like a really tiny parking lot, and so like you get lucky if you get a parking spot there, but I usually always get one. However, today when I went, it was like crazy packed, I guess because it's a Saturday morning, so I mean it makes sense. I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna go across the street and parallel park. So I Who's honking? There's a parking meter right next to it, but I kind of just didn't acknowledge it. I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna go get my coffee. I'll be like really quick, so I didn't pay at the parking meter. I leave and I'm like walking towards my car and I see Atlanta parking patrol. Let me over, bitch. Sorry, that was a little bit aggressive. They were just not gonna let me over. I see the ATL Plus car pulling behind my car, and I know that, I know she was about to come to my window, give me a ticket, but as I was like getting in my car, I could see her walking to my window, but I like gassed it. I was like literally this close to getting a parking ticket. Finesse the system. There's a biker in the middle of the freaking road. Dude, get out of the road. What are you doing? This man is literally biking in front of my car. Dude, what are you doing? This is not a biking trail. Get out of the road. So am I supposed to just drive 10 miles per hour behind this guy the whole time? Are you kidding me? Get out of the road. I'm gonna get so mad. Whatever, I'm passing him. If you want to go biking, go to a freaking trail or move to Europe where there's biking paths, but there's not any here, so you're in the wrong place, buddy. I don't know what it is about their everything bagels, but they're just everything. Right now, I'm on my way to Chandler's house. He asked me to come hang out with him. Gosh, that's good. Yeah, I probably won't eat until like 5 now because it's like later. Okay, so we just chilled at Chandler's house for a bit. I filled up my water bottle, so it's gonna be my second of these today of water. So I just wanted to give you guys an update of my water intake. Kind of want to shop. This weather is making me think of spring and summer. And the other day I was at the Brandy Melville section in PacSun and they had so many cute stuff. And there's this one sweatshirt that stuck out to me that I really want. So I'm thinking we're about to go there and get it and then probably get something to eat. Get like a late lunch or something. We'll see. I'm not really that hungry right now. But we're leaving the mall and I just want to show you guys the stuff that I got. I didn't really get that much, but it's like a little mini haul for you. I got this little skirt from Brandy Melville.
That's so
cute. Isn't it so cute? I like the slits on it and I wanted something like red plaid like this. I saw this at Blossom. I was there and I really wanted it because I liked the style of it. It like buttons up to the top and it's like a collar, which I don't have anything like this, so I thought it was cute. It's good to wear with leggings and stuff. So it is like 5 o'clock now and I started to get a little bit hungry, but I'm like still kind of full from the bagel. So since that was like carb this morning, I'll usually have like a lighter late lunch kind of, and sometimes it's like fruit or it's like a salad, but like today I wasn't really feeling anything, so I just got a smoothie from Panera. It's just a strawberry banana smoothie and that will keep me held up until dinner time. So that is what I'm having for my late lunch today. Okay, now I just got home, so it is dinner time. I usually like to have something really light for dinner, so like I'll have like a salad or I'll have like a soup or I'll have vegetables and like a protein. Today my mom made me like a fancy salad. I like to have salads for dinner and I didn't eat one today, so I need my greens for the day, I guess. So she put strawberries and pineapple and blueberries in it, and then chickpeas for protein, some red oranges, and then I have some eggs also. She put some goat cheese on the side because I love goat cheese, and then pomegranate, artichoke, and then she made me homemade vinaigrette because I like putting vinaigrette on my salads. Yes, and I like to also put fruit in my salads for dinner time because I have like a really bad sweet tooth, and so the fruit and the salads like satisfy like my dessert needs, I guess you could say, so it always like leaves me like full and like I don't crave sweets afterwards because I just had it in a salad. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this big old salad right now for dinner. I'll just drink it with my big cup of water and that is what I eat. So I'm gonna munch this real quick. We'll talk afterwards.